Hello, Basic Aid learners. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Piamensa here. How are you doing? I know you are very fine. Today's lesson is for you. We are going to learn something about puberty rites. In Fante, we call this bragwer. What is puberty rite? Well, in Fante, we say that bragwer ye akamfa mambra. Wa ye zipeja honembamba. We do hon mpenyin mfedo ko mpenyin yemu. Afe so bragore ye amanza wo ye ma mmesiamba zichrede waso awar ma yehwe ndzamba se worogor mbamba binom bra wohia ana wagoro hon bra wa kan manim won na wodi zidui ahonze amwasen atam entuhu sapow sradze, powder, asesegwa, nchirefua, bayer, ngo, nchin, moko, na osun, ana sun nunguma. Medahuma se, dahuma ba channel ido. Thank you for coming to the channel. Hope to see you once again here on Fante Kasesua, here on Apodels Multimedia. This is Mr. Piamensa. See you once again. Bye-bye.